Hi students, this lesson is about reading with intonation and decoding root words with endings. We'll be using Fluency Passage 5.6, My Favorite Hobby, Gardening. First, let's talk about intonation. Expression is how a text sounds when reading it aloud. Intonation is a part of expression. Intonation is the way our voices rise and fall when we are reading as a way to express meaning. When reading out loud, fluent readers add intonation appropriately. Here is an example of how we can use good intonation. Listen to the passage to the side. Notice where my voice rises and falls naturally with the text. Taking care of the small garden in my backyard is my favorite hobby. Caring for a garden can be a great benefit to both the earth and a person's health. Now let's look at Fluency Passage 5.6, My Favorite Hobby, Gardening. Listen carefully for good intonation. Taking care of the small garden in my backyard is my favorite hobby. Caring for a garden can be a great benefit to both the earth and a person's health. It is good for the earth because plants produce oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. In addition, gardening can reduce traffic and pollution as fewer trucks will be needed to transport produce. Gardening is good for our health because we can control the chemicals used on the plants and choose to grow nutrient-rich plants and vegetables. Gardening is also a great source of exercise. I chose to plant my garden close to the apple tree that is already well established in our yard. After gathering the apples in autumn, I put them in a pile and let them decay. This will create compost that I can later use as a fertilizer on my other crops. Compost is also good for the soil, and making my own is an alternative to buying fertilizer. I try to add more fruit and vegetables to my compost pile when I can. Beginning in the early spring, I also plant a variety of flowers in my garden. It's fun to choose the seeds, plant them, and then watch to see which ones will thrive the most. I take a lot of pride in keeping all of my plants trim, tidy, and neat. My friend, who is a musician, enjoys sitting near the garden while she practices the flute. How is my intonation as I read? Did you notice where my voice rose and fell along with the text? Skip the video back and practice reading along with me. I noticed as I read that quite a few of the words in the text were root words that had endings. Sometimes the endings had this I-O-N or I-A-N ending. This ending is always pronounced shun. Here are a few examples. Inspection, selection, prediction, magician, conception. Notice that if it's I-O-N or I-A-N, it's pronounced shun either way. Also notice that if you remove those endings, you have a root word left. Inspect, select, predict, magic, concept. Let's look at the text, My Favorite Hobby, Gardening, and look for root words with endings like I-A-N or I-O-N. We'll also look for word endings with ing, which can also have root words. When I look through the text, one of the first words I see is gardening. It's made by combining the word garden with the ending ing, gardening. Then I see the word pollution, pollute, a shun, pollution. Gathering, gather, ing, gathering. Beginning, begin, ing, beginning. Keeping, keep, ing, keeping. Musician, music, shun, musician. Can you find more examples of root words with endings in this text? Now it's your turn to practice. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the text. Practice reading it several times, then record for your teacher. Have fun reading!